What's up, guys? Welcome to my another video. It's Dipan from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Today we're checking out UUKI, a feature-rich community building platform built for Web3 that puts you in charge of growing your audience. But just before we take a closer look, make sure to subscribe to our Best Software Deals YouTube channel so you stay up to date with all of our best offers. Alright, let's get it. UUKI's flexible structure gives you everything you need in one platform. Create and customize your spaces with your brand's unique look and feel. Give your audience channels to explore like Start Here, What's New, How To, and maybe even one for posting pictures of cats dressed up in fancy clothes. Once you're ready, you can start sending out invites and get the party started. Soon people will be posting, commenting, and sharing in your very own social space, and UUKI makes it incredibly easy to track what's happening in your community. With an advanced analytics dashboard, you're able to get the most important stats about user activity, fast things like top performing posts, the most popular topics, and day-by-day breakdowns of member engagement. That means the longer you spend building your community, the more data you get, and the more you can tweak your content to reflect what your audience loves most about you. Then use that knowledge to build out an event, a coaching program, or an online course, and use UUKI to facilitate it. UUKI lets you build customizable community pages, host events, monetize your community content, and even create recurring subscriptions. So if you're a coach, a course creator, a crypto expert, a startup founder, or an NFT guru, you'll find everything you need to hit your 2022 financial goals within this single platform. UUKI's mission is to give you total control over building your online community, and that's exactly what they've done. Get in on the ground floor and grow your audience today, and that's how you do it,